another one. What the heck? Oh my gosh. How many SVRs, dude? Oh, KWO35. Oh, it's for Sussex. Bro, what the? It's for Sussex, New Jersey. What the?
A severe thunderstorm was located or 10 miles northwest of Mount Pocono, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
What the heck?
Source, wind damage to roof.
Yeah, KZZ31 and KWO35.
Possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include
Oh my gosh.
Blairstown, Wary Lake, Millbrook, Greenville, Skitown, 19 Home, Tobiana, Alpine Mountain, Pelletown, Crandon Lakes, Andover,
Oh my
Hidden
gosh.
Lake, Branchville,
What the hell?
Cedarville, Fort Brookville, Crestville,
Oh my gosh.
and Connecticut. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between
This is
mile markers
KZZ31,
19
this is
and 22.
KWO35.
Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between
Oh
mile
my
markers
gosh.
4 and 13. For your protection, move to an
What the
exterior room on
heck?
the lowest floor of a building.
This severe thunderstorm may contain
little or no lightning.
Do not
Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties:
Here is the forecast.
Sussex and Warren and Monroe.
What the heck, dude?